These are the new, well, they've been around for a while, Cube speakers. I've just received 3 from George at TVW Miniatures. Thanks George for sending me these samples. These don't have enclosures on them at the moment, but I've got another one here that Jerry Hopkins, a mate in Sydney, sent me up, that he's got, and that's got the enclosure around it there. So what I'm going to do here is make some enclosures for these, and we'll do a test on my sound sample board using a Tsunami heavy steam, and we'll give them a test just to see how they go, because these should produce some good sound. Okay, I've made some temporary enclosures just out of styrene for these. I'll just give these a run. Okay, that's that one. That's a small one. This is the larger one. Little clips, put the speakers on. Pretty good sound coming out of a very small speaker. If I do a comparison, I'll go back to there's a 28mm high bass speaker. It's a 27mm high bass speaker. And I'll go back to this little Cube. So it's not going to get the bass out of it there, but for sound, and you've got to get something into a tight location. And if I cut that, now playing around with the enclosure might change these, and then the one that comes with an enclosure, I'll pop him on. I like this one. I believe these come from Canada. And we'll go back to the 28, 27mm, and we'll come back to the Cube. They're not a bad little speaker. When you do the speaker without the enclosure, you just got the speaker as it is, you'll notice that it's not going to put out the sound. No, the clip's on there. But if I cut that, so they need to get an enclosure on them, and most probably you'll be able to, diesel boys, you'll be able to use your diesels. Anyhow, that's just testing the Cubes. Hope that helps you guys making up decisions. Cheers.